Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. Today's video is filled with family, changing a battery in a 2019 Toyota RAV4 for my daughter, as well as a lot of cooking and some speed cleaning. If you are new here, my name is Kim, 𝐄𝐍𝐉𝐻. I do videos pertaining to home life, so it could be cooking, cleaning, DIYs, projects, repairs, that sort of thing. On your way out, please hit the like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe. And sometimes with YouTube, you have to go through your settings, turning on your notifications. That way, anytime someone puts out a video that you're subscribed to, you will get a notification. When I tell you this was the most fun trip to Advanced Auto Parts, it really was. My dad had that lady back there cracking up. She said, "I will never forget you guys." I was like, yeah, 3 generations of crazy. At the time that we're changing this battery, it's about 10:30 in the morning and it's already 84 degrees. When I say hot, hazy, and humid, that is definitely an understatement. All right, she's about to start up the car. Yay! My dad said this was my gift he was leaving me in my car. So yeah, thanks. I appreciate it, sir. In this bowl, we have 2 cups of flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, and then 1 whole teaspoon of baking powder. I'm gonna mix this together. Once this is mixed entirely, I'm gonna gradually add some water to it. At this point in the day, it's lunchtime. Now, I don't wanna eat anything heavy. It is way too hot to do that. So right now, I'm just gonna make some homemade flatbread. That ended up turning out amazing. I'm gonna add this just to give it some flavor. Listen, if you've been here for a while, you already know your girl loves flavor. I don't want no bland food. Do not give me any chicken that only has salt and pepper on it. I'm not about that life, okay? I'm just letting you know in case you invite me to dinner. I tried to be your I'm gonna melt a few tablespoons of butter and put it over my flatbread while it's still cooking. It doesn't take very long, but that's what it's looking like so far. These are the seasonings that I'm using to add to this butter spread. Can't be found. You stole every bit of me, now I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go. If you make it too thick, don't worry, you can flat it out. I actually made this one thick on purpose because I kind of want to make a pizza with it. It tastes really good too. Full of flavor. Just to leave me down in hell. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no, no. Someday I will make you answer for all of your mistakes. But I'm way too weak now. In case you can't already tell, this cheese shredding thing, it's not working very well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get it cut up. And this is sharp cheddar cheese. My flatbread looks like. You can add anything to yours that you want. I just added cheese and then the rest of them I'm just storing. These pair very well with hummus, any kind of chicken salad sandwich, even if you want pico de gallo, whatever it is that you want. And you know my lip gloss is real close by. The sun is going down. We can go out on this patio. I'm going to show you guys a little hack that I have here. In this container right here, it's like a spray thing, right? I have vinegar, I have Epsom salt, and I also have Dawn dish soap. I'm going to put it in here. And we are gonna get all of these weeds. Some of them have already been sprayed, but I have to spray the ones that are alive and thriving. I don't typically measure anything, but I would say use about a gallon of vinegar. You'll want probably a 1/4 cup of Dawn dish soap. I use the Dawn dish soap because I feel like it sticks very well. You can use Epsom salt or you can use that pink Himalayan sea salt. Either one is fine. I feel like the Epsom salt works just a little bit better, but this hack, when I tell you it's amazing, when you go outside the next day, those weeds will be completely brown. You can pull them out and go on with your life. While I'm out here, I'm gonna get my plants watered. Now, let me tell you something. Those bugs tore my roses up. The best time to water your plants is when the sun is not out. As I stated before, the sun was going down, so this is the perfect opportunity. I typically will either do it in the morning before the sun comes up or in the evening.
I saw you coming at me. Somebody that I used to know, somehow you're my enemy. I don't wanna fight no more. Origami on the floor, breaking stuff that's so sentimental. Push and pull is all we do. Life is hollow without you. Ooh, without you, without you, without you, without you. Left hand feels so heavy, anchored to your memory. Ravage through my brain, oh, loose in the china shop. It goes non-stop. I don't wanna fight no more. Origami on the floor, breaking stuff that's so sentimental. Push and pull is all we do. Life is hollow without you. Ooh, without you, 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 without you.
The artist of that song is Revel Day. If you have not checked him out on YouTube, you definitely have to. The man is talented. I love his interviews. I love his music. And I just didn't want to interrupt it by talking. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. I always tell people I know the flex is cooking and cleaning at the same time. So just make sure that you're being really careful and not spraying any of your cleaning products onto your food, because that would not be good. I wiped off the countertops with vinegar, and now I'm going to clean out the sink. I'm cleaning it with vinegar and then the Dawn dish soap. It's important to clean your sink. Our sink, I feel like, is always dirty. I don't know. I got to figure that out. I got to figure out why my sink gets so dirty. Am I the only person that has this issue?
I know you know it. I know you know it. I know. In the late night when the lights out.
Back to cooking. Do you like Brussels sprouts? I don't know that there's a vegetable that I've ever met that I don't like. Thank you so much for being here. I really, really appreciate you. I hope that you know you are an amazing human. You are worthy. You are enough. And if you don't believe that, go look in the mirror, say it 12 times, do it again in an hour until you feel it in your soul. What I always like to think about in my life, for me specifically, in my family, is whatever we put out in this world, we're going to get back. So we need to make sure that we are good people on the inside. That's where it starts. And then we're just showing love to everybody that we come in contact with. If a person comes into your presence and they're upset about whatever the case may be, they should leave feeling loved. That's what this life is all about. Let me know below in the comments some good life lessons that you have learned, or maybe something that you want to just share with this community in general. I have found so many nice and interesting people in the comments with very good advice. So, hey, let's just show love to all of us, each and every one of us. There's enough love to go around, right?
Still aching. I can't control it. I can't control it. I know. Keep pretending that we could never make it. I know you know it. I know you know it. I know. In the late night when the lights out, can't escape now. We lost. Gets me every time in the moonlight, and I can't get out. Baby, I know.
So we have Brussels sprouts with balsamic vinaigrette, black beans, and chicken. And it's hitting the spot because this is just exactly what I wanted. It's the next morning. There are a few things that I needed to do yesterday that I did not get done, so I'm gonna get it done now. I am so productive in the morning. I could run a marathon, go on a trip, and come back and cook a full course meal and still have energy. By the time 6 p.m. rolls around, I'll be like, okay, it's time to lay down. I'm gonna clean off this mirror and my entire bathroom with my magic concoction that consists of vinegar, the Blue Dawn dish soap, alcohol, and water. Let me know below in the comments if you deal with a lot of dust in your house. I feel like my house is so dusty. I always say I live in a dust bucket.
I wanna hold your body close to me. I wanna take you where you've never been. Swear I won't break your heart and I won't let you down. Maybe we can dance the night away. You got me feeling like a hurricane. 'Cause nothing's stopping me. You're all that's on my mind, my mind. Think I've got fire running through my veins. 'Cause when you touch me, I must stand to flame.
Nice and clean.
This moment never ends. Can we pretend that time is frozen? 'Cause you stole my heart and you know what I want is you. Where's you? I wanna say that all I want is you now. Maybe we can dance the night away. That's what I wanna do now. I want you to stay right here with me. Stay with me. Think I've got fire running through my veins. 'Cause when you touch me, I must stand to flames. I don't know what it is you do to me. No way, just dancing in this burning room. There's something in the way you look at me that tells me you are all I'll ever need. I don't know what it is you do to me. No way, just dancing in this burning room.
Thank you again for being here. I really do appreciate you. I hope you enjoyed the music, or maybe if you had the opportunity to clean with me, I hope you did that as well. Let me know where you're from below in the comments and how the weather is in your area and what you've been up to.
All I want is you now. Maybe we can dance the night away. It's what I wanna do now. I hope that you can stay right here with me.